Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make this beautiful drawing. Here we're going to merge these different shades of blue like we're doing here. We're going to make a large wave. So take a very thick brush. First we are going to merge all these colors together. After merging the colors, we're going to take a very thin brush. Now we are going to add some details like this. Here we are making this beautiful wave using different color shades like dark blue, and then we are also adding some white shade on the top of this like we are doing here. And look, your beautiful artwork is ready. You can get inspired by these type of artwork and do try it at your home. Christmas is coming soon, so let's make this beautiful painting at home. Let's get started. Here we are going to spread this white and blue paint together. Now take a tissue paper and we're adding some colors on the top of it. Crumple the tissue paper like we're doing here in this video. We're making the bushes as well using this black color of paint. Now we're going to add the Christmas tree as well. Use this crumpled tissue paper and dab it on the top of the canvas like this. After drawing the Christmas tree, we're adding some yellow and white lights on the top of it. It is a night view, so yeah, we are going to add some details using this white and black paint. Now we are going to sprinkle some white paint on the top of it as stars, and look, your artwork is ready. Look at this beautiful painting. Let's make it at home. So take this black color of canvas and paste some tape on the top of it. Cut some of them from the bottom. Now we are going to add colors on the top of it. Here we are using black and white color. After merging the colors, we are going to remove the tape and you will get these structures. We are going to make the tree later. So take some more paint and use a very thin brush and draw the branches of the tree and sprinkle some white paint on the top of the canvas as snowfall. We are also drawing a girl standing on the snow like this, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful drawing. So take a white canvas and color it blue. Now take a paper and crumple it. We're going to make this beautiful tree structure using it. After this, take a very thick brush and draw the house like we're doing here. Draw the roof like we are doing in this video. Again, we are going to take a paper. You can take a tissue paper and spread this white paint as snow, and look, it's done. After this, again we are going to take this paper and dab this green color on the top of this canvas and make a tree like this. We're also making the lake and sprinkle some white paint on the top of it, and look, your beautiful drawing is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.